In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet to teach virtual classes. As educators, transforming a traditional classroom into a virtual space can be a daunting task, but with platforms like Google Meet, it becomes much more manageable. So let's dive in and go through the process step by step. Firstly, we'll want to head over to the Google Meet website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the Google Meet URL. Once on the page, you'll see the Sign In option located at the top right corner. Click on it to proceed. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll need to select the account you wish to use for your virtual classes. Go ahead and input your login credentials, and you'll be signed in. Now, you're ready to begin setting up your virtual classroom session. Direct your attention to the New Meeting button. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a few options. For this walkthrough, we will choose Create a Meeting for Later. This option allows you to generate a meeting link that can be used at a later time, perfect for scheduling classes. With your meeting link ready, it's crucial to have it distributed to your students. Click on the option to copy the link. Simply click, and it's ready to be pasted where necessary. The next step involves Google Classroom, a fantastic tool for managing your classes and sharing resources with your students. In your web browser, navigate to your class in Google Classroom. Once there, look for the Classwork tab at the top of the page and click on it. Now it's time to create a new piece of material for your students. Look for the Create button and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Material. This will allow you to share resources and information easily with your students. Title the material appropriately, something like Upcoming Virtual Meeting, ensuring it's clear and easily identifiable for the students. In the Content section, paste the meeting link you copied earlier. Add any additional context that might be helpful for your students, such as the time of the meeting or the topics that will be discussed. Finally, with everything in place, locate the Post button in the top right corner and click it. Your students now have access to the meeting link and all relevant information. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a Google Meet session and shared it with your students via Google Classroom. I hope this guide helps simplify your process for setting up virtual classes. Thanks for watching, and happy teaching!